The research is clear. Social and emotional learning, commonly known as SEL, is essential for academic and life success. But how do schools implement and infuse SEL into every part of students' educational experience, in all classrooms, during all parts of the school day and beyond, and in partnership with families and community? Achieving school-wide SEL involves a comprehensive process that can take up to 3 to 5 years to be fully realized. But most schools are not starting from square one. And no matter where you are in the process, an intentional approach to SEL can result in immediate improvements in areas that are key to student success, including school climate, relationships, and student engagement. There's already great work happening that can be coordinated and built upon. But where should we begin, and what should we prioritize? How can we track our progress and continuously improve? The CASEL Guide to School-Wide SEL is designed to answer these questions and provides the guidance and support SEL teams need in order to lead their implementation journey. And it's all free, online, and accessible anytime. The How It Works page provides a summary of the School Guide's 4 focus areas that will help you get organized, implement, and improve your school's SEL efforts. Each focus area includes field-tested guidance, examples from schools and districts, and practical tools and templates that schools can download and easily customize. If you're new to SEL, we recommend starting with Focus Area 1 to develop a strong foundation and plan for SEL implementation. If you've already been implementing SEL, start with the Interactive Implementation Rubric, which allows you to reflect on resources and needs, identify priorities and goals, and see guidance for achieving them. And all of this feeds into your own SEL action plan that can be saved to your free account. In Focus Area 2, you'll find information that will help your staff cultivate their own SEL and build a sense of community. In Focus Area 3, you'll find support for promoting SEL for students in the classroom, throughout the school, and with families and community partners. All through the guide, and especially in Focus Area 4, strategies and tools for continuous improvement can help you track your progress and adjust accordingly. Over the past decade, this comprehensive resource was developed and refined in collaboration with our district partners and schools. Thank you for joining CASEL and educators around the world in our mission to create schools where every student and adult is valued, supported, and thriving.